Yo, what's good, party people? Thank you for tuning in to this video. I'm going to repot this big, mega long Senecio string of raindrops. In habitat, they are ground growers, just like you see here, but in cultivation, they are put in hanging pots to trail downwards to look even more beautiful. First, I am removing the pot and breaking down the root ball. Laying the plant on the ground and flipping upside down will reduce the tension on the strands. This is the nursery's original soil, and I'm finally adding my own personal mix after 3+ years growing in this pot. Next, I am filling up the pot with my succulent soil mix about 3/4 of the way, not patting it down to allow the root ball to settle in. The plant is flipped back into the pot and massaged into the new soil. You can use a wooden dowel, but I'm using my fingers to poke and push the root ball back into the new soil. I add extra soil on top to help anchor down the strands. Finally, I'm going to apply water so the plant can nestle into its new home a little bit better. Do caution though, that when breaking down root balls, you can create open wounds, so you can wait 3 to 7 days before applying water after transplanting to let them callus over. All I need to do is hang this up and clean up my mess. Thank you for tuning into this video. Holla! Be sure to subscribe to stay alert for more uploads. Check me out on Instagram at unknownsucculents and online at unknownsucculents.com.